As we have the new headphones, in-ear true wireless headphones from LG. Tone-free is the lineup. As you can see the design here on the box. It's very familiar. There are a lot of technologies here and a lot of features that no other company provides, as LG is giving with these true wireless headphones. So we're gonna do the unboxing, but the key issue here, as you can see, these headphones are tuned by Meridian. So here are some details of the headphones, which is active noise cancelling headphones. So they provide ANC, which is a crucial issue these days to have it. So they are IPX4 for sweat and water. And you see this UV Nano, we're going to explain later what is this all about. Even they have an original sticker there, so this is original, not a copy. Are coming with a lot of features, a lot of technologies, and a lot of unique characteristics, let's say. We open the box, so one part is empty, and here are hiding the headphones. The case provides 14 hours of battery and 7 hours the 7 hours the headphones, so in total we have 24 hours in terms of energy. We're gonna check that later. So inside of the box, what else we have? Everything is white. So we open it, the box, and we find one white USB Type-C cable for charging. What else we have? Two more ear tips that they have a unique technology, these two, because they are not regular ones. There are two sets, one large, one medium, and one small one. The medium one is already pre-installed on the headphones, and then we have this warranty card, the manual, which is thick. It's not a small one, in different languages. Reference guide. FN7 is the name of the game here, and this is a quick start guide how to pair the headphones to your smart device, to your smartphone, or to your laptop. Why not? You can use them with your laptop. So in different approaches here, some details of the. There are two microphones, three microphones I can see, three microphones in every earbud. Two speakers, two drivers I mean, charging terminals and touchpad. So this one accepts taps in order to change track, receive calls, or to activate features. This is the case that you park and you charge or you save or you store your headphones. I like this shape because you can have it on your pocket without no problem and no angles, nothing, everything is rounded here. The Type-C, USB Type-C charging is there, and there is an indicator here for the Nano, UV Nano, we will explain about this, and here is the button for the pairing with your smart device, so you turn them on, we have. I like the Meridian logo there because this is very high-end. It's like to have Mercedes or Ferrari, for example, on your device, on your headphones. Turn them on. They stay in the place magnetic. They cannot be dropped. They're very stable in the place, so it's good stuff. So we remove one. You see the magnet, how stable it is. These are the contactors for charging. There are three microphones. They have three microphones for better calls and better noise cancellation. Let's have a close look. You see them? Close look. They're very shiny. This is the left. They have indications for every channel, every ear. The sound is getting out from this. You see the holes there for better audio. You can see one microphone there, one there for better audio, better calls. To check the audio output, the sound comes out from this part here. The driver inside is very well made. They're using metallic mylar in order to produce better sound and deep bass, which is what we ask for this kind of headphones. They have ear tips like turbine shape inside for better stability and better audio. You cannot find this feature in any other headphone I have not seen before. First time I seen this. So this is not a regular ear tip, it's a special one. Because sometimes we share our headphones, our in-ear true wireless headphones with other people, or with our hands, we touch them with our hands, or sometimes we drop them. So they collect and they select bacteria. It has a special feature which kills all these bacteria using UV nanotechnology. You see this blue color down there inside the case. This is the light, the UV light. Every time that we charge our headphones, at the same time the UV nanotechnology is working in order to kill the germs. So we have two benefits: charging and killing the germs. Charging the headphones and killing the germs of the headphones. So every time we wear the headphones, are clean, are safe. We say for the germs, there is, let's see, the UV nanotechnology, that LED down there, you can see it inside the box. There are two, one per, you see there are two here, and the same thing is on the other side. So these ones are killing the germs. The control, we have this app, LG FM7 app, which indicates the capacity of the battery. You see 100% for the buds and 97% for the case. Then we have EQ modes provided by Meridian, which is very good because not too many true wireless headphones are providing these settings. These EQ settings: immersive, bass boost, tremble boost, natural. And then there are two custom selections to save our perfect EQ for us. We control our headphones with touch. We can customize them here: touch 3 times, touch twice, or once, long press for different setups. And then they control the ambient sound for here. We have noise cancelling full, off, ambient sound if we like to hear what's going on around us. Volume, you can increase or decrease the volume of the headphones from the app. And then we have the touchpad lock and find my earbuds. If we lose them, we can find not only both of them, but the right and the left. By pressing this, a sound is here. We can hear a sound. That means we found our earbuds. And then we have the regular stuff. So it's very full application, very complete, and has all the unique features that we have seen from other headphones of this style, these true wireless Bluetooth headphones. So I'm very impressed of the way this is, the user manual is in the app as well. So now I will listen to them, I will check them, I will record the voice and the audio and the music performance of this beautiful earbuds, and I will have it at the end of So thanks for watching. This is very good design from LG, very unique features, very well implemented in terms of applications, in terms of feature about the health, this UV nanotechnology, in terms of the ear tips. So every part here, every aspect is a unique thing. You cannot find all these features in others headphones. Thanks for watching.